Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si...
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum English, Grade 2, Quarter 3, Lesson 1, Day 3. Topics: Rhyming words, chants, CVCE word patterns, high-frequency words, and polite expressions. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. First, identify high-frequency words. Second, recognize rhymes and chants listened to. Third, decode words with CVCE patterns accurately and automatically. Fourth, use common expressions and appropriate polite expressions for a given situation. Here's the community song that you and your teacher will sing. Questions: What was the chant all about? Answer: It is about the community, the people in it, and how they help and support each other. 2. What are the rhyming words in the chant? Answer: along, belong, cool, school, community, family, and together, better, stronger. 3. What are examples of groups or places that are part of the community? Answer: nurses, delivery workers, sanitation workers, grocers, and mail carriers. A. Vocabulary building, unlocking. There are different places in one's neighborhood and community. Let's talk about these places. 1. Church. 2. Hospital. 3. Restaurant. 4. Fire station. 5. Museum. 6. City hall. 7. Pet store. 8. Grocery or market. 9. School. We are going to read a text about one's neighborhood. Let's find out the different places in the community as we read the text and their locations. The title is Pete's Neighborhood. Pete presents in class. He shows them his home and his neighborhood. This is his report. Here is the school. It is a kids' zone. It is near a cove. Around it are many pine trees that look like cones. Here is the museum. It is across the school. You can see many amazing things inside it, like paintings and old stones. Near it is the pet store. There are many cute animals inside, like cats, doves, and dogs. There's once even a mule. Next to it is the city hall. That's where people we vote work, like Mr. Jones, the mayor. Beside it is the grocery. It is full of food and products you can buy. There's rope and tools to fix holes too. On the right is the church. It is a place of worship. Next to it is the hospital. It is where you go when you have a broken bone or you get sick. Finally, across it is my home. It is where I doze when I am tired. I love my home. Post-reading questions. Why is it important to have different places like a school and a grocery in a community? Answer: it is important because each place has a special purpose. The school helps us learn, and the grocery gives us the food we need. In what ways do we take care and show respect for these places? Answer: we take care of these places by keeping them clean and following the rules. Reading Writing Connection Activity, a map of my community. Class, I want you to draw a map of your neighborhood or community. After drawing, label or name the different places that you can find in your community. After that, write a short paragraph about your communities. Follow this format. A. Polite expressions. When we go to different places in the community, we need to show respect. One way to do this is to use polite expressions. Given the following situations, what will be the appropriate words to use? Class, I will present some situations to you. After each situation, you will share your answer or idea. I will then give feedback to your responses. Church. 1. You entered the church and you were about to sit and pray. There was a person blocking your way. Answer: excuse me, may I pass? 2. There were noisy kids while the mass or service was ongoing. You were having a hard time focusing. Answer: please be quiet, the mass is going on. Hospital. 1. The doctor gave you advice on how to treat your injury. You wanted to show appreciation for helping you. Answer: thank you, doctor. 2. You accidentally bumped the things on your hospital bed. The nurse saw you. Answer: I'm sorry, nurse. Restaurant. 1. You wanted to ask for additional napkins. The waiter saw you raising your hand. Answer: excuse me, may I have more napkins, please? 2. You enjoyed the meal and the waiter was very helpful. You wanted to share your happiness with him. Answer: thank you, the food was very good. B. Decoding practice or fluency. Class, I will show you some words from the story. Look carefully at the words and tell me what you notice about them. Set 1 has words with a long O sound that follow the magic E rule, like rope. Set 2 has words with a long U sound that also follow the magic E rule, like cube. Let's read. Set 1. Zone, cove, cone, bone, dose, home, hole, vote, Jones, stones. Set 2. Cute, mule. Practice reading the following list of words, long O. Hope, note, cope, code, road, tone, loan, zone, home, dose, bone, pole, dove, rope, wove, hole, vote, cove, joke, cone, poke, hold, gold, post. Practice reading the following list of words. Long U, cute, cube, fuse, mule. 3-2-1 strategy. Give 3 examples of places in the community. Give 2 examples of community helpers. And give 1 activity you can do in the community. Class, we will have a short drill. I will show you some phrases and sentences with words that have the long O and long U sounds using the magic E rule. Your task is to match these phrases and sentences with the correct pictures. First sentence. The notes of Pete are long. Answer. Second picture. Second sentence. The cute cubs are happy. Answer. First picture. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!